When you use the scientific method to answer a question, you start with an experiment, and you design your experiment to use variables. There are 3 kinds of variables: independent, dependent, and controlled. Let's say you want to test if a big dog eats more than a small dog. The independent variable is the thing you change in the experiment, in this case, the big dog and the small dog. The dependent variable is the one you measure. In our experiment, it's the amount of food each dog eats. The controlled variables are the things you want to remain the same or constant. In this experiment, you would want to make sure that the dogs eat at the same time, eat the same food, and have not eaten for the same amount of time before the experiment. Once you've identified your variables, you're ready for the experiment, and your dogs are ready for dinner. For more information about inventions and the scientific method, check out the Science Trek website. You'll find it at idahoptv.org/sciencetrek.